we saw there was a sign for a lookout, and we could see from the road that there were some really epic mountains around. So we just pulled over, and this is the view. So we figured not a bad spot to have a morning tea break on our way into Queenstown.
I was going to add, when we got here, it was super misty. It was like steam coming off the mountains. I love that shit.
It would have been really cool seeing it early in the morning, I reckon, like a sunrise or something here. It's a big gravel pit too. OC agrees. It's alright. But yeah, I think you could definitely stay here if you wanted to. Don't quote me on that, but we would. Fun fact, Ghost hates motorbikes. Don't you, bud? You're not a fan. He's literally chased them down the street before. Good morning from Queenstown. We just woke up and we're just about to drive through the town to find a toilet. And then this view, wowee.
We just came around the corner and the light hitting the trees up the end of the street. And then just the street leading up to the hills.
So sick.
Guys. Welcome to the top of Queenstown. Beautiful little town. You got the mountains in the background here. It's Mount Owen. Yep. And this is Spine Cough Lookout. I think that's how you say it. Don't really know. But yeah, we've done our time in this little town and we're going to head out up this road. So this road here is really cool.
Just woken up to the most beautiful morning on the lake. It's so still, so peaceful. So we're just going to have a slow morning here, and then we're going to hit the road. Our friend Jono is getting in this morning. He should be in Devonport about right now, actually. So we'll have our coffee, sit here, enjoy this view, and then get on the road. Hi, Bubba. You excited to go on a walk?
He's super excited. So then chatting everyone walking past.
Where are we going?
We're going to Nelson Falls.
Lovely.
It's a 20-minute return, easy blade walk.
You're not reading that off the board, are you? Good job. There's the info for anyone that needs it.
Yeah.
So we're making our way. What do you call it when you go into the centre? Oh, east. Making our way east.
Yeah.
and we saw this waterfalls on the way. So we thought we'll stop here, why not? It's only a short walk, so we'll go check it out. Very fresh and rainforesty here, which is nice. So I think it's going to be a nice walk.
A bit chilly too.
Yeah.
Which is good.
But yeah,
Matches the mood.
Have a little look-see. Oh, so far it's beautiful. So green. You got new tricks to show? Yeah, girl. You're a nutter.
This is also a workout.
Whee! Rainforest workouts with a smile. Yay! What do you reckon? Little fairy perched on the rock. Fairy in a beanie and cords. Wowie. Look at that, so lush. Just having a little lunch break on the side of the road. We stopped at this little like roadside pull over area because it was really the only one on the highway that we're on. It has a really beautiful view. So beautiful, so nice for like a little random stop. So lunch, bit of a view, and then we keep on trucking. Pretty sure we are like hours late to meet Jono. Originally I was like, we'll be there at lunchtime, like midday. I think it's I think it's like 2 o'clock. So sorry Jono, we are coming. Kind of track. Get it, ghosty. Look out.
We found him.
Yay.
Here we are after 3 hours of being by myself.
We had bets on the way here. I was like, oh, he would have only been there for half an hour. Jess said like,
I was like, nah, over an hour.
over an hour.
Oh, it's been a few hours. Oh, you get that.
Oh, a few hours. Oh, he was worried. He was going to go find phone service. And then just
you know, as we want to just take their time. There's no rush.
we show off eventually.
We're at Brady's Lake. We're just going to camp here for the night. Might have a fire if we can find some wood, which would be nice. Yeah, pretty cool view.
Find a camp? Yeah? Yeah.
for Jono. Long black.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. The lagoon. Hang on, I'll show you how to skim a rock. Fuck.
Visitor centre.
We're visitors.
We are visitors. Hey, OC.
So we're in Mount Field National Park. There's a 6k loop walk where you go through three waterfalls?
Three waterfalls.
Which is cool. And this is OC's first time being forward in a carrier. She's loving it. You can kick your legs, you can see everything. So yeah, let's go check out waterfall. Good morning from Hobart. We got here yesterday. We did a heap of things, laundry. Main thing was getting the car sorted out. We had to get a pre-purchase inspection to sell the bus.
Yeah, and he checked out. All good. So we're stoked. Yeah.
But now we're up the top of the mountain, overlooking Hobart.
Yeah.
We just came into the viewing room because it was very, very windy outside.
It's so cold up here, so it's like 5 degrees. So yeah, protected in here, which is nice. So we made our coffees and just came straight in here this morning.
Yeah. Security guard was running late. We saw him running down here to unlock the doors and we're like, yeah mate, hurry up.
Yeah, mate, let us in. But yeah, we're just going to be around Hobart today.
Yep.
And then make our way to Brady.
That island down there. That one.
So OC and I are starting our own channel, and it's going to be cool. OC's world, we just live in it.
Oh shit, sorry.